Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Jeremiah here with RVFix. So today I'm going to show you how to do some basic maintenance on your, these are your lead acid batteries. Most of what I'm going to show you will cover all batteries, but this one is a maintenance battery. So we'll do this one so that way we can show you everything. So the first thing you want to do is, I like to take them out. I don't like to have anything connected. We got our negative and our positive here. Just a steel brush, clean your terminals. So typically we don't use these studs on most units, but if you have a starting battery on a motorhome or anything like that, it's the same thing. Just get them nice and clean. Same thing with your seats here for your studs. If these are house batteries, which that's what this one is a house battery. So nice clean there. This one is a lead acid, so it's got these caps on it. Now what we're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. We're just gonna come in here and you're just gonna get underneath it. You're just going to pop that off. Now, if we look down here inside the hole, you can see that there's water down there. So, and if you can see, there's a little collar, like plastic collar of the hole that goes down. The water should be up to that level. So we can tell that these aren't up to that level. So what you're going to want is you're going to want some demineralized water. So most of these pure water are reverse osmosis and everything. So all the minerals and stuff are out of it. So you're just going to top that off. Just going to fill that up. And depending on the last time you've done it, it could take a lot. So we're just going to top those off. Then take our shop rag. We just want to clean that up. Clean up our battery here on this side. And then we can stick our cap back on. Cap goes back on like that. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to do the other one. Pop that off. Wipe that off real quick. Now what happens if your water gets too low, the cells will actually start to deform and they can touch each other and start to short out. Same thing if you leave your battery on your unit in the wintertime. They will freeze, and as the water expands, it will make those plates touch and they will short out. As you can see, always want to make sure you're washing yourself after you're done, as battery acid is not the nicest thing to have on you. Put our cap back on, and that's basically how you're going to clean your battery. Now, if you know your battery's low, you don't want to put it back on the unit, you can always put a battery tender on it, get it nice and charged. A charged battery does have a lesser chance of freezing in the wintertime, so keeping them charged is always good. Now, this is a maintenance battery, lead acid. If we come over here, we got one of our guys' winterized kits here, but they have a maintenance-free lead acid battery, so there's no cap. So you just want to go through, clean all these, you know, take your connections off, clean your connections, and stuff like that. So right here we do have a brand new AGM battery. So as you can see in here, it looks pretty much similar as a maintenance-free, but it is AGM. But you still have the same studs. Clean them off, get everything looking nice and neat. Lithium, same thing. Now those you do have less of a chance. Lithiums do have BMSs built in, so that way you don't have discharge when it's too cold or too hot. So that's kind of basically how you do it. And then when you hook up your connections, Bash, you just want to make sure you use that battery terminal spray. It looks red. You'll see it on a lot of motorhome starting batteries. And that just helps prevent corrosion in the future. And we'll go ahead and link that in the description below so you can access that on Amazon and buy some yourself. If you have any other questions or anything like that, give us a call and we'll help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.